Romance fraud on rise in coronavirus lockdown. Romance fraud, scamming someone out of money by pretending to want a relationship, has been on the rise during lockdown. According to UK Finance, there was a 20% increase in bank transfer fraud linked to romance scams in 2020 compared to 2019. And £68 million was lost to such scams in 2020, said the UK's Action Fraud, another increase on the previous year. Organisations warned people to be vigilant ahead of Valentine's Day. The advice suggests online daters should not send any money, allow the other person to access their bank account, transfer money, or take out a loan on the other person's behalf. Neither should they hand over copies of personal documents, such as their passport or driving license, or invest money on the other person's advice. Do not receive or send parcels on the other person's behalf. Perform a reverse image search on a search engine to see if person is using fake images. Contact your bank immediately if you think you have fallen for a scam, and report it to Action Fraud. In both 2019 and 2020, the amount of money lost to romance fraud outstripped that stolen by online shopping fraud, according to Action Fraud, which is the main reporting body in the UK. In 2020, online shopping and auction fraud accounted for £63 million compared to £68 million for dating scams. The COVID-19 pandemic has added to the problem. The national lockdowns and other restrictions on our social lives, implemented because of the coronavirus outbreak, have meant more people have been seeking companionship online, and this has undoubtedly affected the number of reports we have seen, said Pauline Smith, head of Action Fraud. Romance scams can leave customers out of love and out of pocket, added Katie Warrabeck, Managing Director of Economic Crime at Trade Association UK Finance. Victims of romance scams lose money via money transfers and sending fraudsters gift cards and vouchers or presents such as phones and laptops. Some even provide access to their bank account or bank card. Fraudsters can be very convincing, using emotive language and stories to manipulate people, for instance saying they need money for medical bills. And increasingly, victims are at risk of prosecution, as well as having their bank account emptied, as it is revealed that some scammers are now asking them to unwittingly launder money for criminal gangs. ABC News reported on an Australian woman who thought she was falling in love with a US Army officer, but ended up laundering $150,000 £83,000 for such a gang.
Thanks for watching Universal Information and Entertainment TV. Please like and subscribe our channel for more updated videos, news, information and entertainment. See you in next video. Stay tuned.